I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of the new options feature on our mobile apps. From your quote page, you can just long press on any market you want. I'm going to choose the November soybeans. I long press, I get a list. You get a choice between options and CSOs. We have those separate from each other. I select options, and now I'm going to get a list of all expiries that are related to the soybeans. And in parentheses, we'll give you the days to expiration. Up at the top left, you'll see the price of the underlying front month and the net change. Over to the right, you can see the high, low, and volume. And then there's a button over to the right that you can tap, and it expands to get more information about the underlying. I can now minimize that. If you tap any one of these arrows, it'll give you like an option sheet, if you will. So now, and you can have multiples open. So I opened up the 2SD. I'm going to open up the 2SB, and you'll notice they both open up. I'm going to minimize that one. You can scroll up or down to see more information. You can swipe right or left to see more information across the top. Notice in green, the 986, it's highlighted in green, that's the at the money. To create an option spread, it's pretty easy. Obviously the calls are on the left, puts are on the right. I can tap on, the bid volume, or I'll make it easier. You can tap on like the bid or ask of a strike you're interested. So I'm going to do the 990. I tap, and notice it's highlighted here in blue that I tapped the 85. Well, now it's 86, but you'll notice that it matches, so it lets me know where I tapped. And here I'm going to go to the 984s. I tap, and now I've got my spread in here. If I click apply changes, I got a notice that says market not found. That's just letting you know that it hasn't been created yet, and I have to create it. Before I create it, you can obviously tap on the buy or sell. See, I tapped the buy, I changed that to a sell. I tap it back to a buy. You can tap on the ratio to change the quantity, and you can tap the little minus here to remove the leg if you added a leg you didn't want. So now I'm going to go back and click apply changes again. It's going to tell me again the market's not found, so I have to create it. I tap create. It was successful. Now you can see down at the bottom I have a row for my spread, and if I tap trade, that's the market. Now I can trade this market. I'm going to go back. Now the nice feature here is if I want to, I can add this newly created spread to my quote page, so I don't have to go looking for it after I log out and log back in. So I tap this plus here. I get a list of the different quote board pages I can choose. I can create a new page, or I can just add it to one of my existing. I'm going to select my main page, and now it says the market's been added. I go back, I go to my main page, and I scroll down to the bottom, and now you see there's that option that I just created. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot.